Okay, so welcome back. Now, in this example here, we've got f of x. Now I just wrote f of x. It doesn't, what you name this function doesn't matter. The main thing is making sure that you recognize when you have compositions of functions, okay? Don't be looking for h of x or k of x to kind of indicate that you've got a composition of functions. I can denote the function by anything, okay? So the main thing is understanding that this is a composition of three functions. So how do you see that? Let's rewrite this so it's easier to see. So this is going to be the cosine of 7x squared plus 1 raised to the fourth power, right? Because remember, cosine to the fourth of this is the same as this, right? Okay, it's just understanding notation. So now you see that you've got a power function, right? It's a function raised to the fourth power. So you've got a power function, and then inside the power function you have a trigonometric function, and then the argument of the trigonometric function is another function. Okay. Now, if you wanted to also look at this, you have well, anyway, I'm not going to. But anyway, you've got three functions that are composed. So now all I'm going to do is to find f prime of x, is I'm just going to work my way from the outside to the inside. So the first thing is the power function. So what do you do with power functions? You put the exponent down here as the coefficient. Then you rewrite the power function at a lower exponent. So basically I'm going to write cosine cubed of what? Of what's left over. So that's going to be 7x plus 1. Now, what's the next inside function? It's the cosine function. So now I'm going to multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is cosine. So what's the derivative of cosine? Negative sine of what? The inside function, which is 7x plus 1, right? And now I'm going to go to the next inside function, which is this. So times the derivative of this, which is 7. And I'm done. Except for simplifying this, of course. So if I simplify this, then I just multiply the 7 and the 4 and take the negative 1. So this is going to be negative 28. And then, of course, cosine cubed 7x plus 1 times sine 7x plus 1. And that's where I stop. Okay? Oh, no, hold on a second. I messed up. I dropped my square here. Hold on. Square, which means this is not going to be that. So again, notice how I dropped my power here. So this is going to be 14x. And then this is going to be 4 times 14, so that's going to be 56. So this will be negative 56x. There we go. And the rest looks like it's, oh, of course, got to put my squares here. Okay, sorry about that. So again, just another example of where you got to be careful not to drop things as you're working out problems. It happens to the best of us. Okay, so again, practice these. Yeah, just make sure you practice these. Have a great day.